Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We live here from Nairobi. I'm here with the great guy, Shafiq Lutaaya. He's the CEO of the Ronzag, right from Kampala. He's been here discussing how to install WordPress, the famous 5-minute WordPress installation. And I just need him for a few seconds to answer this question. How did you find Word Camp Nairobi?
Well, first of all, it's freezing right here. It's really,
That's true.
if you haven't been to Nairobi, just know it's freezing. Now, to answer your question, Word Camp Nairobi has been my first Word Camp here, and the community is vibrant. The people are willing to learn and willing to share their ideas. It's been my honor to also share what I know about WordPress, and I can tell you that the numbers are growing. That you check meetup.com for the numbers, and I think that it's been very phenomenal and fantastic. It's been a great event. The room was full and full of experienced people and beginners, so it was a great opportunity to network.
So besides the Word
industry.
Camp, Nairobi in general, the traffic, the people, the food, the roads,